warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, this is Nova here. Today I would like to analyze a poem entitled The Dreams by Langston Hughes. Before starting the analysis, I want to say that dreams are important part of human life because they give people hope, motivations for the future. Sometimes people lose hope when life becomes difficult, and these poems remind us why we should never stop believing in our dreams. I choose this poem because dreams is one of the most famous in American literature. Langston Hughes is also known as an influential African American poet whose literary works often discuss hope, humanity, equality, and life experience. Even though this poem is very short and simple, it has a deep emotional meaning that can easily connect with readers and also English learners. In the context of the English language teaching, this poem is not only a literary work but also an effective learning medium for students. The language used in this poem is simple, clear, and also accessible for English learners. However, behind the simple words, the poem contains the deeper meaning through the metaphor, imagery, rhythm, and emotional expressions. Because of this, students can improve not only their vocabulary and reading comparison, but also their interpretations and critical thinking skill. Among the three functions of the literature, aesthetic, culture, and also social, I believe these poems mainly survive an aesthetic function. This is because the Langston Hughes used the beautiful and also creative language to express emotions and ideas about the dream and also hope. The poem creates emotional feelings and imagination through its figurative language and also the poetic elements. For example, in the line, life is a broken white bird that cannot fly. Langston Hughes used the metaphor to compare life without dreams to the bird with the broken wings. This comparison creates a strong emotional imagination the reader's mind and show how the empathy and hopeless life can become when people lose their dreams. Besides its meaningful message, this poem is also interesting to analyze because it contains several important elements of the poetry, such as theme, rhythm, the figurative language, imagery, tone, and also the structure. The poem is contents of two stanzas, and each stanza contains 4 lines, making the poem short but powerful. The repetition of the phrase "hold fast to the dreams" also creates rhythm and emphasis, which make the poems more memorable and also emotional for readers. Overall, the dream is meaningful for English learners because students can learn language, emotions, imagination, and interpretation through the beautiful literary expressions. Therefore, this poem is not only enjoyable to read, but also the beneficial for developing English language skill and literature to understanding. Okay, in this segment too, I will analyze the intrinsic elements of the poem. Dreams by the Langston Hughes. In the analyzing these poems, I focus on imagery, rhythm, and also figurative language. First, the poems use the strong imagery for the examples. Life is a broken wings bird that cannot fly. The imagery helps the readers imagines a bird that cannot fly because its wings are broken. It shows how the hopeless life can become without dreams. So the seconds, the poems has the rhythm and also repetitions, the praise, hold fast to the dreams is repeats in the both stanzas to emphasize the importance of the dreams. This repetition also makes the poems more memorable and emotional when read aloud. The third, the poems uses the figurative language, especially metaphor in their lines. Life is a barren field, the frozen with snow. Langston Hughes to compare life with the dreams to an empty and also frozen field. These metaphors, the symbolize sadness and also hopelessness. Besides that, the poems has a simple structure. It's a contents of two stanzas, and each stanzas to a contents 4 lines. Even though the poem is short, the meaning is deep and also powerful. So, in this segment 3, I would like to explain how the poetic elements in dreams can help students learn English in a meaningful and also interesting ways. First, the vocabulary in this poem can help students improve their readings, comparisons, and vocabulary knowledge. Students can learn the descriptive and emotional words such as barren, frozen, and broken wing. Through the context of the poem, students can understanding the meaning of these words more easier and also remember them be better. So the seconds, the rhythm and repetition in the poem can help students practice pronunciations, stress and intonation. The repeats the phrase like hold fast to the dreams makes the poem easier to memorize and also read aloud. Confidently reading poetry aloud can also improve students' speaking fluency and also listening skill because they learn the natural rhythm for English. So the third, the figurative language, such as the metaphor, can develop a student's critical thinking skill and also interpretation skill. So students can also learn that literary language often has the deeper meanings beyond the literal words. For example, the broken wings bird, the symbolize hopelessness, while the barren field, the symbolize empathy and loss of the hope. Through this analysis, students learn how the interpret meaning and also expressions idea in the English language. In addition, this poem can encourage classroom interactions and also the speaking practice. Actually, the teacher can ask the students a question such as why our dreams is important in our daily life. So what happens when people lose of their dreams, and what dreams do you want to achieve in these futures? These kinds of the discussions allow students to practice expressing opinions and also sharing experiences and communications more confidently in English learning. So overall, dream is very beneficial for English learners because students can improve their vocabulary, so pronunciation in the readings, so comprehensions, speaking ability, interpretation skill, and critical thinking skill through a simple but meaningful poem. That's all, I think. Thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.